Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and this video. For this painting I will be using this Clairefontaine Fontaine watercolor paper. It is 300 GSM or 140 pounds and 18 by 24 centimeters. It is also cold pressed and 100% cotton watercolor paper. First thing, I did place tape to make a border, white border, and then pre-wetted the entire paper just using a clean water, this larger brush. I have wetted the entire paper and then using this warm yellow to paint in around the sun. So I do want to have my sun in this lower part, lower third, and I've painted yellow around it and then picked up this skin pink, both from my color collections, and then go a little bit around it in between those yellows to paint in just a variety in the sky, some clouds. So just adding it here and there, leaving some spots white. Now I have picked up a little bit darker pink called Wild Pink and added that color again in between the yellows and the pinks, just creating even more texture in my sky. And you can see I'm just using the tip of my brush and adding some lines, then pressing my brush, creating some cloud shapes. And right now, again, I have added a little bit of blue into my pink and just created a violet color and added that tiny bit here and there onto my sky, again, just to create a variety. And I have painted the ground with the same violet color. I do want that to be a little bit darker violet, so I am using some blue and some wild pink. And also I do want the part where the sun is to stay a little bit lighter, like it's lightened from the sun, and sides a little bit darker. With the smaller brush, again, I'm just tapping in with the tip and adding few more clouds. Little bit of the warm yellow just here in the central part where the sun is, and then I left it to dry completely. And when it was fully dry, I'm painting in the tree. And as you could have seen, since I did add a color to the ground while the paint was still wet, there is not harsh edge between my ground and sky, and I did wanted to leave that edge slightly blurred and blend one into each other. And I do believe it creates the effect that there may be some grasses, bushes there behind, and also that that part is not really in the focus, but the only thing that is in the focus is going to be our tree. All the clouds and everything in the sky was added while the water was still wet, so the edges are very, very soft, but the edges for the tree are harsh, so it puts that tree in a foreground and it puts it as a focal point. Using a little bit bigger brush for the thicker branches for the tree trunk, and a little bit smaller round brush for the smaller branches. And of course you can paint your tree just as you like, you don't have to use the same tree shape as I did. Just looking where I want to add a little bit more of the branches, again using that mix of wild pink and blue for this color to create this pink. And now with this Lebenzon brush, I will put the link down in the description box. I'm painting in the branches, and I do love that brush for thinner lines for the branches. It just gives me a very nice control. And then few splatters, again with the same color, just to add a little bit more variety and texture, maybe some leftover leaves there. And with that, I'll be finishing off this painting and this video. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome, and I would appreciate that a lot. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!